3, 2.
What is STEM? It's the acronym for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, the disciplines that are vital for a thriving economy and a safe and healthy society.
For first question, what is STEM education?
STEM education. What I know about STEM is about science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Okay, it's about teaching, method of teaching in a fun way and using a few things about technology.
For the second question, what are the doctor teaching style and method?
Okay, I'm not applying STEM in my class, but I'm trying to. I didn't use any technology in my class. What I do is I just teach. I'm still believe on chalk and talk because teaching maths using technology is quite hard because students cannot touch, especially for the big size students. So my teaching style is still in terms of chalk and talk.
Okay, doctor, for second question, what is STEM education is so important?
Okay, for STEM education for me, because let's say I'm teaching biology. For instance, this semester we have food science. I'm teaching food science and microbiology. So it's biology subject, and typical for student to take biology subject as have to memorize lots of things, lots of terms, facts, and all that. And by integrating STEM, which is we have the element of technology, we can use ICT, we use the video like what I've done in your class, we use the mathematics, the formula, the calculation, all that. And then as the science, we use the scientific skill like experiment. We integrate all of that in one lesson. Yes. So I think STEM education can enhance, the excitement of learning and the inquiry in the student.
Okay, for the third question, how doctor implement this technology in your class?
Okay, for example, food science, I use some website, especially the free ones that allow, for instance, Kahoot. I've used Mentimeter, I've used quizzes.
Yes.
Okay, so we can do quiz, we can do assessment, peer assessment, and then sometimes I use Padlet. I'm not sure if I use Padlet in your class or not, where you can share files in there and everybody can just get it, download it. So there are lots of sources for us to use technology. It's the matter of whether we want it or not, and it's a matter of time for me as a lecturer, because that needs time to prepare for preparation. So
Okay, doctor, how doctor apply STEM education in class or in your teaching?
Okay, the first thing that I tried to apply STEM education is by engaging students with interest to science first. So what I do in my class is I like to involve them with teaching kit. For example, here I got two teaching kit. This is the first one is the block ionic. So what student can do is they just match, find and match the pair of this ionic, and it's just like a puzzle. This is the first thing. Secondly, I will let them to play my product. So this is one of my product innovation. So my innovation is about STEM education. Roll a dice, STEM. This is AR board game, and this is basically is a board game where I'll show you. And what I've invented is a board game where there's a few square. I have categorized it into medical, robotic, education, industry, and agriculture. And if you realize it, this is work in STEM. So by involving my student to play with this, I hope that the student will start to have interest into science and STEM in general. So that is my way.
Okay, for the last question, is there any improvement in student interest after STEM education has been implemented?
As I mentioned earlier, with my way right now, currently, I realize that my students have increased in terms of their interest to learn the STEM because of maybe because of my technique or my method. So by engaging them with learning and game at the same time, I think they have increased their interest in science.
The STEM education, the goal of the education is to produce skillful worker in the future. So the benefit of the STEM education is of course to produce skillful worker, right? So now they're trying to embed, for example, technology in science, engineering in science, or embed science in teaching engineering. So the benefit will be producing future, I mean the students now will be the worker in the future, so they will be skillful in all of these disciplines.
Okay, so how you apply the STEM education in your teaching?
So usually, for example, currently I'm evaluating students' assignments, so they are required to produce videos. So nowadays, videos videos is the medium to represent work. That means, in the future, for example, if someone want to market their product, they have to make a very attractive video. Even though they are science student or account students, so they require these skills to produce some good work. So I'm trying to embed those STEM education through assignments and in the class. So we will discuss about the assignment. So particularly this video assignment. So how to improve their skill and how to make sure that their understanding is appeared in their video. So